Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree, and today we're gonna jump right into the hairstyle. So today my cousin will be getting this Jayda Wayda inspired hairstyle with the braids in the front and the curly hair in the back. So I went ahead and sectioned off the front of her head where the braids will be from the back of her head where we're gonna put the curly hair. And you guys already know the rat tail comb is my absolute favorite comb to use. And I swear by these silver metal duck clips. So I did go ahead and put product on both sides of this braid. And I'm going to begin doing a small stitch braid. And as you guys can see, I have stiletto nails on my ring finger and my pinky nails, and this helps me to create the stitches. If you guys have ever watched any of my live videos, you guys know that I tell you guys stitch braiding is a repetitive motion. Everything that you're doing to one side, you're repeating it on the other side. So yes, I just want you guys to go ahead and enjoy watching me complete these stitch braids. And while you're watching, let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions, if this video was helpful for you, or comment and let me know any tutorials you guys would like to see in the future. I really appreciate it when you guys comment and let me know feedback. Also, if you let me know if my video has helped you and what else you guys would like for me to create videos about. So I appreciate you guys and thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. So now that I am braiding down these braids in the back, I just realized that when I was recording me clipping on her wig, I was not recording. So this entire time I thought I was. I don't have the footage of that. But as you guys can see, these braids are a little bit bigger because that is where the wig is going to go. And the final step is going to be me doing her edges, of course, which I know y'all love. But if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you so much for watching. Hit that like button for me and hit the subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. And remember, let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this and if you would like to see anything else in the future. Thank you guys. So this is the part you guys been waiting on. I showed that I use the red one. It's called hair wax, but it's more like an edge control or like an edge gel. So that's what I use on her edges. I did not curl them or anything. She has naturally fine hair. So all you need is a little bit of product and a edge brush. And you just brush those hairs into your desired look. So right now the hair is a little wet because she freshly washed it. However, I did go in and tease it a little bit with a wig brush, and then off camera I diffused it with the blow dryer. So this is how it turned out.